Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.